Welcome to Leith Toyota in Raleigh. From the moment you step into our modern showroom, our sales advisors are by your side every step of the way, and they're backed by the best service team Toyota has to offer. Let's take a tour of our service department to familiarize you with our state-of-the-art facility. Several service lanes are located directly beside the showroom. Just drive up and one of our Toyota certified advisors will greet you shortly. For added convenience, an after-hours drop box is located there as well. All you have to do is fill out the envelope, seal in your key, and enjoy the peace of mind you deserve knowing your vehicle's in good hands at Leith Toyota in Raleigh. Our team of factory-trained advisors and technicians work together to provide you an exceptional customer service experience and are always available to answer any questions you may have. We offer complimentary Uber rides, but if you prefer to wait while we service your vehicle, feel free to make your way inside and take a seat in our inviting, comfortable waiting area. While you're waiting, be sure to also browse our parts boutique and our huge tire center. Why buy your next set of tires from Leith Toyota? Many reasons. We offer free tire rotations for the purchased tires, 2 years worth of free road hazard protection. We have factory-trained technicians, and we have a huge tire inventory of more than 400 tires available for you today. We even have payment plans supplied to us by Affirm and Synchrony Tire. Leith Toyota is your best place to buy your next set of tires. Wireless internet is also provided along with computer workstations and free snacks and refreshments. For Toyota Care and all factory recommended mileage services, our Leith Toyota Express maintenance team will work together like a well-oiled machine to get you in and out in less than 1 hour. As a valued customer of Leith Toyota, we offer loyalty rewards as well as guaranteed lowest price on all parts that we sell, including tires. We also offer loaners for overnight warranty repairs, lifetime oil changes, and we even offer now lifetime brakes and batteries for as long as you own your vehicle. Leith Toyota service in Raleigh is here for you. We look forward to seeing you soon. Leith Toyota in Raleigh, it's easier here.